How to create Bitget Wallet. All right, guys, so welcome back. And creating a Bitget Wallet is as easy as just clicking on the wallet icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do so, click on My Wallet, the icon at the top left, click on this. And then where we have Add Wallet, go ahead and click on Add a Wallet and then click on Create Wallet. Now, you could choose to either create a keyless wallet where you basically use your email and your Google account or your Apple account to sign in, or you can create a seed phrase based wallet. When you click on view details, the seed phrase is essentially your wallet security. It consists of 12 common words in English that are used to create and recover your private key and wallet address. So that's how it works. The keyless is basically the same thing, only difference is you're using other methods of creating your account. All right, and then go ahead and click on create for the seed phrase you want. And I'm just going to go ahead and enter my password here in order to get access to this. And it's creating the wallet as we speak. So this is how it actually works. And you could choose to enable notifications or not. All right, guys, that is how easy it is. Once you're done, you could just add funds, perform bank transfers, tap into some rewards, and enjoy the Bitget Wallet app. All right.